Welcome back to Anthony the Web Nerd. Today's video, we're going to be talking about why Yelp is killing your business, and it is not the reviews as you might think. Today, we're in a different location as you might see. in West Hollywood at my girlfriend's house, so hopefully the video will come out clear and there won't be any crazy sirens and stuff like that, and you'll get tremendous value out of this video. Today, we're going to be talking about all of Yelp. So if you're an online business with a address where people can leave Yelp reviews, if you're a bar, if you're anything in between, real estate business, anything you can leave a Yelp review, this is going to be a video for you. If you are a online business only where they can't leave an online review of any type, then you might want to ignore this video. But if they could leave a review of any type, then I'm not just talking about Yelp, I'm just talking in general. You might also want to listen because this does pertain to that. So a lot of times I see that a lot of customers will say, Anthony, my Yelp reviews are pretty okay, but we still can't get that business going, or it's very flat sometimes. I offer different things and I offer different incentives to get customers to come to my establishment or to try to leave a Yelp review, but they just don't. And what I have to say to that, and what I keep seeing a lot of times, is the people that I talk to, the brands that I talk to, that they're not talking to the millennials, the people that are younger than me, the people that are 25 and under to 18, people that can buy stuff, people that can go into the establishment and leave these reviews, the people that are more willing to leave the reviews, because people my age, they're too busy on Netflix, things like that. So usually we don't really leave reviews. If we really like the establishment and the establishment keeps bugging us, maybe we've been there 2 or 3 times, maybe then we'll leave a review. But overall, you usually get the high reviews and the low reviews. But we're not talking about any of that. So why isn't your establishment not getting people to show up? And I would have to say, most of the time, from my experience, it is the website. The website is usually outdated or old. It's showing like a different format of the menu. It's showing things that are like super outdated. Like the people are not up to date on their Instagram and their Facebook. Millennials actually pay attention to that. So that's a big one. If you're not paying attention to your Facebook and your Instagram, your Twitter, then you're not relevant with them. If they're going to look at your website and say, why they haven't posted in 8 months, they must not care about me. That's kind of what they think about. They think about what's relevant to them. So it doesn't take more than 5 minutes a day to post on all 3 platforms. You can get Hootsuite that does everything for you. If you're a business owner, please do that. It's literally 10 minutes of the day. You don't have to do a lot of hashtags, things like that. You could just say new menu, happy hour, get a graphic designer on Fiverr, and create a whole bunch of flyers for very cheap. You could probably do it for $20 for a whole bunch of different flyers for the week. And trivia night, things like that. You want to engage with your winners as well if you're doing a trivia night. For example, if you're selling glasses, things like that, it just really depends on your business. But I'm coming from the customer service background, so a lot of things that I see that these websites are not responsive. They do not look good on mobile. So that is very important to look good on mobile. You want to look really, really good on mobile more than on a desktop. In my opinion, Squarespace does an okay job. Wix, I've seen way too many bad Wix websites. Hit up a graphic designer, pay a little bit of money, $500 for one page. Most graphic designers will do that for $500 for a one page thing. Then you can kind of maintain your things yourself. I will go over a video on how to do a WordPress website so you can do it yourself. I'm just going to go through the basics because really you don't really need a graphic designer right away, but it is good to know your own brand, what colors, what part of the community are you in? Are you in Brooklyn? You in LA like me? Or are you in Chicago? Those are going to be dramatically different colors. What type of people do you want in your establishment? What kind of establishment are you currently in? Um, Take a look at yourself first and foremost before you start blaming others. And that's kind of what my videos are going to be focused on a lot more on Monday is going to be more on the brand side of things and how to fix internal issues with your business. Because if you don't fix yourself, you can't fix your business. A lot of times I see that. So hopefully you get some value out of that. Remember, have a good website, update your Facebook, make sure it's mobile friendly, pay a designer. Don't be afraid to, look locally. Trying to look at things like Fiber and our Dribble, sorry, to see some good designs. Just type in web and Dribble. There is an app that I will post below. I forgot what it's called exactly. Musel, I think it is called, where you can see a bunch of cool designs. Those are more like the stuff that I do, but you can kind of get close with different photography that you take at your bar. You're not gonna get perfect, but I'm pretty sure you could even take pictures on your little phone of the bar, make it look really nice, and hopefully you get something out of that, or whatever your establishment is. I keep saying bar, most likely because I'm gonna do another video right now on John Taffer, who is one of my idols. So it's bar rescues in my brain right now. So leave a comment below, subscribe, hit that notification bell to get updates. I will be doing a live once I get enough YouTube views on Shopify. I'm not going to be marketing you products. I'm going to give it to you free. And then if you feel like it, you can donate me coffee. And I would really appreciate that you take off the ads, put them on so I can get some type of revenue, since I am doing this for free. All right, I keep saying this. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.